Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video we will be showing how to use the Tango app, a social media platform for video calls, messaging, and even live streaming. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Alright, so let's take a look at how to download and install Tango app on our device. Alright, first things first, if you don't have the Tango app yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play. Just search for Tango and click install. Once installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with the home screen. So this is the part where you can now create and set up your account. Alright, so what I'm just going to do now is to create my account. So if I want to do that, I have to decide whether to create my account with Google or with my phone number. Alright, so for this tutorial I will create my account with Google. So I'll just have to click on continue with Google, and then I will have to select my Gmail account, and then the next thing is to process it. Alright, so I'll click on allow notifications. I'll click on skip at the top right corner, and then here is it right here. Here's it. So the next thing we just want to do now is to set up our account. So after creating your account, you have to set up your account. So from here, if you look at the top left corner, you find your profile icon right there. Click on it. So once you click on it, you see your account name right there. So Tango always creates a custom account name for you, so it's left for you to edit it and add your own name. Alright, so I'll just click on that, and then I can see the edit pencil at the top right corner. I'll click on that, and then I'll start with my name. So I'll click on this, and then I'll change it to this, and then I'll add something about myself. And then for my nickname, I can just click right here. Yeah, click right here and change it. And then I'll click on set. And then for my gender, I'll click on that and select male. Click on set. For my date of birth, I'll click on that, and then I'll select the month. Sorry, I'll select the month, and then I'll select the day and then the year. Then I'll click on save birthday, and then for interest, you have to click on that and select what you're interested in. For example, I can select dating and artists, and then I'll click on set, and then that's it. So now that we're done with all these, you just have to click on the check mark at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, your account is ready. But there's one more thing you have to do, which is to add a profile picture. So as you can see the profile right there, just click on that, click on the avatar, and choose a picture from your device. So once that is added, that is all about setting up your account profile. All right, so that's it. So let's see what we have next in the next video. All right, so now that we're all set up, let's walk you through the home screen. All right, so this is the home screen of Tango app. All right, so at the bottom area, you'll see some navigation icons. We have the For You, where you can explore live streams. We have Following, where you can see live streams of people who you are following. We have the Explore icon, where you can click on and search for content on Tango app. We have Moments, where you can actually watch people's content like videos on Tango app. We have the chat icon right there. where you can actually send messages and reply to messages on Tango app. At the top area, you're going to see your profile icon. At the top left corner, you're going to see your coin balance, and you can also click on the plus sign to add or purchase coin. All right, we still have the search icon at the top, which is used for exploring content or live streams. All right, we have the notification icon at the top as well, and also we have the ranking icon at the top, and you'll find audios at the top area as well. Once you click on that, you'll be able to hear audios of people on Tango. It's also, we have match option right there. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see people on Tango who you can actually match with, right? It works like Tinder and Bumble. All right, so let me just go back. All right, so that's it about how you can actually explore the home screen. And also from the home screen, you can actually go live on Tango, but we're going to talk about that in the next video. All right, so now let's see how we can actually go live on Tango. All right, so from your home screen, you're going to see this pink live icon at the bottom area of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, here you can see that you just have to add your live description by clicking on this and adding it right there. So I can say making friends, and then I'll click on sets, and then the next thing I want to do is to click on the go live button at the bottom area, and it will start connecting. All right, so right now I've started a live broadcast, and then people can now start joining. If I want to see people who are joining, I can see that at the top left corner of my screen, and also I can actually see notifications at the bottom area, and that's it. It's very easy. All right, guys, so this is actually how you can actually go live on Tango. So on your live stream, you can also receive gift from your viewers. All right, you can receive gift from your viewers. You can even play games on your live stream. So it's very, very interesting, guys. All right, so let's move to the next part, where I will show you how to send text messages on Tango app. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, you can see the chat icon at the bottom area of your screen, actually the bottom right corner of your screen, and that is the icon that is used for messaging. All right, so once you click on that, you'll be able to see your messages on Tango, right? And also, if there is anybody that you want to message on Tango, it's very easy. For that, you just have to go out from here. For example, you see a live stream and you want to message the person. What you have to do is to open the person's live stream, just like this, and then you find the person's name and profile picture at the bottom area of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see the person's profile showing right here. What you just have to do is to click on this message icon you're seeing close to the follow icon. All right, so once you click on that, then you can now go ahead to send this person a message, just like this. As you can see right here, it's sent. All right, so that's it, guys. This is how you can actually send messages on Tango app. If you ever want to reply this message, always click on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of your home screen. All right, as you can see, the person's chat is showing right here, so I can always click on it from here and then reply the person's text. So that's it, guys. All right, so now that we know how to do this, let's move on to the next one, where we're going to learn some privacy settings. All right, so let's check out some privacy settings. All right, if you want to do that, you have to look at the top left corner. You find your avatar icon right there. Click on that, and then scroll down a little bit. You find privacy option, select it, and then from here you can see your discoverability, settings, chat settings, post and moment settings. You can also change your passcode lock. You can see blocked users, and also you can enable new email newsletter, audio room notification, and so on. So guys, and this is not actually all. There are actually more things you can actually do on Tango app. As you can see right here, from once you click on your avatar icon again at the top left corner, you can see all these options right here. These are some other things you can actually do on Tango app, which I'm going to discuss in the subsequent tutorial I have for you. So you have to ensure you subscribe to this channel. Once again, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. All right, so I think that's it about Tango app. So that's it about Tango app. This is actually a quick tour about the Tango app. In my subsequent videos, I'll show you how you can actually do more on Tango app. So this is not all. All right, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that you won't miss out on my subsequent